Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I have purchased this Lan Xun Bluetooth earplugs from Temu. It was very cheap, I think in $9 only. So I'm gonna do unboxing and then I'm gonna show you how it is and the performance. So specifications, you can see it's written greater than equal to 10 meters, fine. RF sensitive support protocol also. Okay, now it's time to open the actual packet. So this is what the content is inside. I have a charging cable and a box. Okay, I don't have much. Okay, and as of now it's 97%, so it has got the indicator that how much charging is left. It's good. And also I have some instruction booklets about pairing it. Okay, so overall it looks good with the price I have got, and I'm just gonna attach it with a different device and I'm gonna here. Yeah, it looks fine, not bad. So with this like I have purchased for my exercising, so I'll use it, and if I find anything I'll publish here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.